Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Friends. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. Hello. How are you today?
We are so happy you are here with us. Today's episode is very special. The title is Change Your Mindset, Change Your Life.
That's right. In this episode, we will learn simple English phrases that can help you feel more positive and speak more naturally.
Even if you are a beginner, you can do this. We will speak slowly and clearly.
Before we start, please do one small thing. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us. Thank you.
Okay, let's begin. Mia, can I tell you something? Sometimes when I wake up, I think, today will be difficult. My English is not good. I always make mistakes.
Oh, Alex, I understand you. Many learners feel the same way. They think, I'm not smart enough, or I can't speak well. Yes, and because of these thoughts, they feel nervous and don't want to speak.
Exactly. This is very normal. But here's the good news. You can change your thoughts. And when you change your thoughts, your English becomes better and your life feels happier.
So today we will learn 4 powerful phrases that can help you change your mindset. Let's start with the first phrase. Phrase 1. I can improve. I can improve. This means I can get better. It's a very positive sentence. Example. My English is not perfect, but I can improve. Now you try. Listen and repeat after us. I can improve every day. Great job. Say it in your head or out loud. You're doing well. I can improve every day. I can improve every day. I can improve every day. I can improve every day.
It's okay to make mistakes.
It's okay to make mistakes.
This is a very important sentence. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers.
Example. I said the wrong word, but it's okay to make mistakes. I will try again.
Your turn. Repeat after me.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Take your time. You're doing better than you think.
Today is a new day.
Today is a new day.
This means yesterday is finished. Today, you have a fresh chance.
Example. I felt shy yesterday, but today is a new day. I will speak with confidence.
Repeat with us.
Today is a new day. I will try my best.
I am grateful for. Grateful means thankful. This phrase makes you feel happy.
Examples. I am grateful for my family.
I am grateful for this English lesson.
I am grateful for small things, like a good cup of tea.
Now repeat. Alex, I am grateful for today. I am grateful for the chance to learn. Okay, Alex, let's make a short conversation using all the phrases. Good morning, Mia. How are you? I'm okay. I felt tired this morning. Oh, but today is a new day. You're right. I can improve my energy. Exactly. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. True. I will speak slowly and clearly. And I am grateful for this conversation with you. Me too. I am grateful for friends like you. See, we used all the phrases naturally. 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 See,
we used all the phrases naturally. See? We used all the phrases naturally. See? We used all the phrases naturally.
All right, everyone. That's the end of today's episode.
We learned 4 beautiful phrases. I can improve. It's okay to make mistakes. Today is a new day. I am grateful for.
Please remember, change your mindset and you will change your life.
You did a great job staying until the end. We are really proud of you.
Before you go, we have one small question for you. What are you grateful for today?
Write your answer in the comments using one of today's phrases. We read every comment and we will reply.
Thank you so much for learning with us. Take care, stay positive, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.